What's up, Crusaders? My name is Julian.
And my name is Jose.
And you're watching HC News.
Yesterday I was dreaming about you and me forever.
Thursday, January 25th is a flex day, and Friday, January 26th is a pro D day.
Next week, Tuesday, January 30th, and Wednesday, February 1st, are advisory days.
Term 2 electives, courses, and Term 2 block schedules will begin on Monday, January 29th.
Day 1 schedules will now begin with your D block, followed by C, B, and A. Day 2 schedules will be H, G, F, and E.
HC's open house is on Thursday, January 25th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. And here's a short promo.
Welcome to Holy Cross. Hi! In our classrooms, teachers and students work together, fostering an environment of creativity and critical thinking.
At Holy Cross, students can explore their passions through electives of their choice.
From robotics to dramatic arts, we cater to all students' diverse interests.
Here at Holy Cross, we believe that education is more than just what's in the textbook. On these music room walls sit 40 years of our program's history, with various unique ensembles that all strive for a very high level of excellence.
Whether you've been playing music for years or just starting out, our Holy Cross Music Program is a welcoming space for all musicians to grow and learn together.
Students work together in melody and community to express their musical passions. We learn to connect with others on a deeper level and create symphonies that resonate not just within our school, but reach out towards our wider community.
Our athletic department goes beyond the game, as students learn to cultivate strong bonds with their teammates and coaches, fostering a sense of camaraderie within our community.
Congrats to the downstairs LRC for winning the advisory door decorating contest.
Congrats to our boys and girls for competing, and to all the teams that played during the BC Catholics tournament last week. Congratulations to our girls basketball team for winning the BC Catholics tournament, and to all the teams that played last week. Congratulations to our boys basketball team for placing 4th in the BC Catholics tournament.
We hope all athletes involved stayed safe and tried their best.
Senior Ultimate Frisbee Tryouts will take place from February 1st to February 9th, weather depending. They'll be scheduled on any clear days during that time frame.
Make sure to check out the TVs and social media over the coming weeks for more information.
Do you love theater, but you're not a big fan of the spotlight? Well, you're in luck, because the HC Theater Company is looking for hair, makeup, and costume crew for their upcoming production of No Vacancy.
Production week would be February 27th to March 2nd, with occasional meetings for planning and design leading up to the event. Please email Ms. Bond at kbondarude@holycrossbc.ca to sign up or for more information.
Hey there, awesome grade 11 and 12 students. Are you ready to step into leadership? Ever dreamt of being a leader? A fantastic Catholic servant leader, just like Jesus? Well, guess what? The Salesian Leadership Retreat is calling your name, and it's all happening from January 31st to February 2nd at Carmel Hill, Little Flower Monastery. Get ready to connect with other young leaders who share your passion.
This retreat is your chance to dive into the world of servant leadership, walking in the footsteps of Jesus alongside other like-minded youth in the Archdiocese of Vancouver. It's not just a retreat. It's a community where you'll learn, practice, and grow your leadership skills together.
For more deets, hit up Sister Hagen. Oh, and if you're all set to join the leadership party, register here or check the link in your emails. Don't miss out.
For any announcements that you'd like to see on next week's HC News, please email webteam@mycrusader.net. Reminder that our deadline for submission is every Thursday at 3 p.m.
Make sure to follow Crusader Connect and all Holy Cross social media accounts to get up to date with any Holy Cross related affairs. That's all for now. Bye, Holy Cross!